Protesting will not change your situation at all. You must learn to work with the university. If you protest, and I expect, your name is ruined for life. No university will want to admit you in the future. You will die poor, angry, and black. Why? You will die poor, angry, and black.
Xolisa, his writing, he's a poet, you know. So when I first met the script, it was like a long poem, a beautiful poem, you know, that is put like in beautiful stanzas, you know. There was like his pen has like this beauty in it, you know, where you just get like you just get blown every time you read his material. It's like, who is this soul, you know?
The police had been feeding me torture. I was in a cell, my 4 teeth in my hand, and fire in my mouth.
I love what he did in putting the show together. The concept was beautiful in terms of setting up the stage. It even usajonge stage just alone, you might not realize it in the beginning, but it part of the story is actually depicted on just how the stage looks.
You people think you can come to my university and do what you want. I don't have place for veterans here. This is an institution for higher learning, for people who know what they want to do in life.
There's a very, very positive and a hot vibe regarding theatre amongst youth, especially from this Mecca theatre in South Africa, being Port Elizabeth. And being from New Brighton with the experience of such greats as or Winston John, John Kani, Monde Mbikwana, my former teacher at primary, Actors Serpent Group, Gnosis Nom Shenkonyeni. You know, to me, that experience brings the arts and the creative arts very close to my heart, and I'm happy to see a recent and a very, very fresh production like of Flamebook. There's a lot that is hidden in the, you know, as I say, New Bright.
Penning was never part of the plan. Fire just jumped from our hearts onto those buildings and burned them down. We did not start the fire. We inherited it.
The other thing is, when you're gonna do a one-man show and on historical things, there better be some information that you are presenting to your audience that they might not have had. I mean, today there were some connections that were made for me that I've never thought of. And without giving the story away, but it's a good show to watch. It's good for young people. It's good for anyone who cares about South Africa and who cares about where South Africa is going, and not just South Africa, Africa as a whole, and its relation to the world. And I believe that the flame is with us still. We carry it, and we need to nurture it and carry it forth so that we can hand it over to the next generation. And having artists like this who are able to point us to such things is a beautiful gift.
I thought the show is a timeless piece, written by one of the most relevant writers to ever come out of PE.
Goodness, I think it was beautifully written. I think it was beautifully directed. The performance was amazing, but I expected that from Xolisa.
I love the fact that he wrote how our parents feel, or how back home actually is something that's also burning, that you know what, fees must fall.
Like the part every time he spoke about the fire side coming out, that was my favorite moments, like the burning of the building and the fire.
Storyline, beautiful written, you know, it's a thought through story, beautiful directing, and the actor was excellent.
I think it was powerful, really. I think the way he managed to keep you there, like to feel and to connect with what was happening, I think that was really powerful, yeah.
Done and enjoy the pool. So big up to the guy. He was doing a good job.